Dear children, this week we will do flower part. First put box margin, then down itself put one straight line. Then in this line we have to put slanting line. You can use scale also, both the side. After the line finish and all, see down itself you have to do the curve like this, big one curve. And then after first curve, little bit line it should be high both the side. Then second, the same first we put no the curve, here we have to put second line. Next another one close curve you have to put. You have to join in the first line. First you have to finish. After putting the close circle, see in the straight here you have to put one small circle, and this side the part right side one circle, and then left side one circle we have to put, big or small whatever it's coming you can do. After that in this one itself put simply like this oval shapes near by near. If flower petal this one, if it is not coming proper also you can change the petal shapes. How many petals coming, that much you can put. 3 flowers we are putting. The 3 flowers the same design we have to put like this. Here also if it is not coming big petal and all, you can put small petal. Petal not coming and all, put one straight line, then you have to join in this line. In this, after finishing the flower we have to draw a stem. See in the middle itself the 2 parallel line we should draw, near by near lines. And then this flower also same like a 2 parallel lines. After the middle, the pencil line and all, inside the stem we have to erase. If came in petal also we have to erase. After that we have to draw a leaf. Leaf not coming and all, see put straight line like this, and then you have to join the line like this. Like the same. In this flower also put straight line and then join the lines. Like that, how many leaf you need you can put. See if you need here also you can put half of leaf. One leaf it should touch another leaf also. Okay. After that the middle pot line we put no, that one we can erase. After drawing the leaf, in this one simply have to close the line, then take brown color sketch and draw the flower pot using dark brown sketch. After finishing the brown line, here the last close curve came no, this one you should not draw in the petal and all, in the middle only we have to draw a line. Like that. Next is stem we have to draw. See leaf also like this, only outline. See half of leaf only I am putting. Why and all, here I will draw big one leaf. After drawing the leaf, put like this simply slanting lines. So if you are putting this side and all, another one alternatively you have to put. Don't put straight like this. Flower and all, now we can give. I am giving purple color. If you need and all, you can change the color also. You can give variety color flower also you can give. Otherwise same color also you can give. One flower I am giving. After finishing violet, next red I am giving. Two lines inside near the circle. After that, next flower I gave pink. After finishing the sketch work, erase the pencil line. In the flower middle, we have to give yellow crayons, all the flowers. If you are giving yellow flower and all, middle you can change the color. Now we are giving red flower. Here only make it dark, and here and all light it should be. First give light color. After that, here you can make it dark. Not evenly up and down like this. And here also see this. First giving light fully. After that, here we have to make a dark. Same red color. Next flower, violet color. Give light shade. If it is white place also, it's okay. Like that only you have to give. Here we have to make it. First we sketch we put no there. Little bit dark. Not evenly, unevenly you have to keep. First light shade. After that you should make dark. Only the near the circle. Like this, all the petals you have to put. After finishing pink, in yellow middle we have to put like this dot. Use dark brown or black sketch also you can use for putting dot like this. Not in near by near, little bit gap should be there. Like this you have to put dot. The flower, only the outside you can give light shade, inside only it should be dark. Now we can give the green color stem. Stem inside we have to give the green color. And leaf also we have to give the color. Leaf slantingly you have to give the color. How the line I am putting, the same both the side. All the leaves like this same you have to do. After finishing the leaf, in this part inside the oval shape, no, here only you have to give the yellow ochre, mustard color. After finishing the mustard color, yellow ochre, here and this part and all we have to give the brown color. Now we finish our flower pot. You can change the pot design and flower shape also you can change and draw. Thank you children. Have a nice day.